Hey, welcome my scrapbooking friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I'm going to share with you my National Scrapbook Day project for 2022. So yay! So welcome my friends. Alright, I come up with these two albums, and they are made out of file folders. You guys all know how I love my albums with file folders. So yep, another project. You have the landscape one, and then you have, you have the landscape one and then the portrait one. All right. This one will hold about, I think it's 50 photos. Yes. And this will hold about up to 60. I mean, just depending on your size of your photos. If you use all 4x6s, it might be just a few shorter, but that's approximately how many they will hold, okay? I do have a tutorial that you can go to my website, Scrapping It Up with no G, that you can purchase. And right now, until May 8th, 2022, you can get this tutorial 50% off while we are working on our National Scrapbook Day project. So yes, 50% off until May 8th. So go grab it, guys. If you're watching after May 8th, 2022, then sorry, guys. But I wanted to offer it at 50% off for those of you that wanted to go grab it. Now, I will be teaching, right here on YouTube, I will be teaching you how to do the portrait one. Okay, I will be teaching you how to construct this, and then the decorating classes to go along with this one. This one here I will be teaching on my Facebook page May 6th, 7th, and 9th, okay? But this one here, I will be teaching you guys this one. I will release the videos starting the first week in May. I will start releasing the videos how to do this, okay? So you can go grab your cutting guide if you would like to have it and keep it in your arsenal. And that way you will always have it. One thing I am doing too is I've heard a lot of people say, okay, I can't get file folders, okay? I know a lot of you overseas cannot get them. And some of you just don't like using file folders. You want to use cardstock. So what I've done, I have included the cardstock option inside this tutorial. Okay, so I will give you the measurements and everything to make it just like the file folders, but you can use cardstock. Now, there is just a few exceptions. There's going to be a pocket on a different side. So, okay. So, go grab it. You get the portrait one and the landscape one in the file folder and the cardstock option as well. And it is 50% off right now, guys. Okay, so go grab it. All right, who is ready to see these little cuties? Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's look at the landscape one first. Okay, and one thing I did, this one, I done the colored, my tie-back. This one, I just left it with the file folder showing, okay? So you can do the tie-back if you like, if you don't want to do it. But there's what it does. And I have taught you a couple years ago how to color your tie-back. I will be showing you in the tutorial when I release it. I will put tie-back on it to show you guys, okay? All right, so let's look at this one here real quick. Okay, there's the front. And these are pretty basic. There's not a whole lot of embellishing in it at all, okay? And this one measures 5.5 by 8. Okay, so you open it up. And then you have a double pocket here. So you have a pocket here and here. They're separate pockets. It's not a stacked pocket at all, okay? One thing I don't like about stacked pockets, once you put something in here, it affects this one, okay? So a lot of times I like doing, the pockets by themselves, okay? And then we have this. And I did ink this all up with Tim Holtz Distress ink. Oh, I just love file folder albums. Then you have a little pocket here. And I just added a little journaling card. Like I said, I used a Michael's paper pad, the $5 pads. And this one didn't come with any cards or anything. So I just left it plain. Okay. Beautiful paper. And I should have looked to see, I think it's, just in case you're interested, this is what I used. All right. And it's the pink and blue. Beautiful, beautiful. So then you have a little belly band here. Okay. It just slides back in there. Oh, duh. Then you have a little flap right here. And this ain't decorated because dummy me glued my belly band on before I decorated it. So that's why that one's plain. But I kind of like it. Kind of like it. Okay, then it flips and here's your middle. And then this flips. Yep. Got my little notes. My little notes. And then you have a flap here. And again, see, I glued that down before I put my paper. But I just love this cute little, oh, it's so cute. Like I said, this one will hold, I think, about 50 photos. Then you have a little pocket here. I mean, this ain't an album that you want to put flowers in and really embellish up because you only have 3/4 of an inch spine. So not a whole lot of embellishing on this. And then again, the back, you have that double pocket. Okay. And then I just added some journaling cards because I like to journal. And there's the back. And again, like I said, the tie back that you just put on your spine. Okay. So now let's go to the portrait one. Okay. Here's the front. And I like I said, I just kept these basic. Okay. I mean, you don't have a whole lot of room to add a whole lot of embellishments. They're just plain and simple. You guys know me. I'm pretty basic, simple scrapbooker. So here you have another pocket. It is not a stacked pocket at all. Okay. So whatever you put in back does not affect this pocket here at all. Okay. So then this opens. Then you have a pocket here. And you have a little booklet. Okay. Ah, beautiful paper, guys. I love these albums. This one here will hold about 60 photos. You know, photograph. So you can put 2, or you can just put 1 photograph and a journaling card here. So it depends how you set your album up. Okay. If you do photograph, you're probably going to get, you know, close to 60. If you just do 1 picture and then a journaling card, you're not going to get quite as many. Then this opens up. And then here you have a belly band that holds this flap shut. And again, I glued it down before I put my paper on. But that's all right, because I kind of like that. But it needs paper. And then I just put this one here. Okay. And this is the middle of the album. Oh, pretty darn neat. And it's very simple to make too. And then you have your pocket here. This one takes 6 file folders. The landscape one, it only takes 3 file folders. And then a scrap folder if you want, you know, all your photo mats and stuff. Okay. This one here does take 6. And then, of course, your scrap one to make, and it probably takes, I think, 2 folders to make all the tags and stuff. But I will be showing you how to make this one right here on YouTube. So, you know, you don't have to purchase this. I will be teaching you the portrait one. This one here is going to be on Facebook. Okay, so I will be teaching you how to make this one, but not this one. This one's on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, then you can grab that one too. But if you would like the tutorial, and this will include the cardstock option as well, okay? And the cardstock one, I haven't made a prototype. I took all the measurements, so it's pretty darn close to the same. This pocket here will be on this side, okay? There's just a few minor changes. But if you would like to grab this right now, it's 50% off. Just go to my website. I'll have the link down below to where you can go click on it, and it'll take you to where you can purchase this. And it is 50% off until May 8th. Okay, guys? So that's it. Keep an eye out. I will start releasing the videos the first week of May, so you can make this. And if you want to join me on Facebook, May 6th, and I'll be teaching this one, okay? So I hope, go grab your tutorial while it's 50% off, guys. Really cheap. And then after May 8th, it goes back up to regular price, all right? So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this, or if you have any questions about any of this, please put them in the comments below, and I will get back to you. Okay, as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.